Hey everybody, welcome to the Hinkleshop. So as you can see, my friends from Acmer Laser have sent me a new toy to play with here. This is the Acmer P2 33 watt laser we're talking about here. This thing is a beast. I've already ran it through all the normal testing, the cutting through the 1/2 inch and the 3/4 inch plywood. This is oak actually, and a 1/4 inch that I cut through. Used it to make this quick little sign here. Now as you can see, it's on a rolling cart. That took me 1.5 minutes to make. Not really, it took me about 2 minutes to make. I made it out of things I had laying around here in the shop. That includes this little kicker here on the end of it that makes it act like a wheelbarrow so you can wheel it around. But the reason is actually for this laptop, obviously, so I have a place for the laptop. All the wiring's going to get buttoned up, everything's going to get tidied up once I get this thing completely finished. And the reason it's not is if you look down here, there's a piece of cardboard down here. I do intend to put some of that stuff that's made of gold from the big box stores down there, then the sheet goods material, you know, that costs you a mortgage payment for one piece of plywood. Yes, plywood is what I'm going to put down there. I thought it would be a great spot to put some materials and some other things that I'm going to keep with this laser. Now, the laser cart is on wheels. You know, I'm a big fan of rolling things around, making it easy to work with, easy to store. But in this case, this thing, I thought, wouldn't it be nice to be able to take this thing outside and use it outside on the nice days where I don't have to worry about smoke removal or anything like that. So, on the nice days, I can grab a hold of this like this, wheel it outside, do what I got to do with it, let it run, risk of fire, all of that stuff is mitigated because it's outside. Now, there is a steel bottom on this thing. I do have the honeycomb ordered, the grid for it for the bottom so that it'll cut better. This thing is roughly 15 inches wide by 30 inches long. Don't quote me on the specs. Go right into their website, acmerlaser.com. Check that out. They've got some really good stuff over there. They've got a brand new product called the P3. That's a 44 watt laser, I believe. Check that out as well. It's a great company. They've got some great products. This piece in particular comes with the compressor, which I kind of thought was neat. They actually sent the compressor with it. But I think that's enough talking about this thing. Let's go ahead and make something. So the first thing I'm going to make with this is actually a little storage box like this. I'm going to use the laser to cut out the drawer boxes. I'm going to use it for any other embellishments that I can think of. The box is primarily 1/2 inch thick material. I'm going to make it out of some leftover ambrosia maple. You know, that's one of my favorites to work with. Enough talking, let's get started. Okay, so the Acmer P2 33 watt laser, flawless. As you can see, I've got 3 drawers here for a box that's supposed to hold 3 drawers. These are 1/4 inch material. Cut them out with ease, no problem. The problem is this guy right here. I messed up, and as you know the rule with the channel, when I mess up I tell you. So the first box I tried to cut out of the first drawer, I did an offset and it was wrong. The tongues and the grooves wouldn't go together. So I decided to make a 4th drawer, that's what this is right here, as a test drawer. Now I don't know if you can see this, I'm hoping you can. Those pieces right there are about a 32nd of an inch. But believe it or not, you can actually put this drawer together with these little bitty pieces and it works, if my fingers can hold it. That little bitty piece right there fits into place. Just like that. It is pretty darn impressive, to say the least. Little bitty drawer for I don't know what. Let's continue with the build. We're going to put these guys together. These guys are actually slides that are going to hold the drawers in place and slide back and forth on them once we get them in. Let's keep going. All right, let's put these guys together. The easiest way I found to do this is upside down, actually. Flip your box upside down. Then start putting your pieces on. You can actually clamp it all in place. And then apply a thin layer of CA glue. I like to use thin around the edge once I get this jigsaw puzzle back together. Clamping just on these tabs. A little pressure, push down, make sure it's seated. To the other side. See that guy's trying to come out, that's alright. He's going to stay where I tell him to in a second here. Like I said, a little thin. Then switch to a thick or a thin. Along the corner. And voila! Just like that, you have a box. Sand off the back side to get the nibs off. Golden. Well, there you have it, folks. An incredible box built with an incredible laser. Acmer has got some top-notch stuff on their line. Check them out. Check out the link below in my description for a little product code. Check out the Hinkleshop website, hinkleshop.com. I highly recommend you check out Acmer. They have a super line of products. They're coming out with new things day after day. This is not the last project we're going to make with this thing. There's plenty more to come, so stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, I'll catch you on the next one.